With flowing rivers, towering mountains and lush forests, nature is both awe-inspiring and life-giving. Yet despite these countless invaluable benefits, we have exploited and destroyed our natural world with little consideration beyond the profit margin. Sea levels are rising, species numbers are plummeting, and extreme weather events are becoming the norm. Humanity has become disconnected from the one thing that connects us all: nature. But we can change. We must take a stand and do our part to protect and restore the natural world. When you support TreeSisters, you take direct climate action, funding ethical, community-led reforestation and protection. Action that restores habitats, protects endangered species, empowers women, and champions Indigenous voices across the environmental sector. But TreeSisters do so much more than plant trees. We challenge the power structures that sustain inequality and contribute to global warming. We work to inspire everyone to advocate for, protect, and reconnect with our incredible natural world. Together, we can create a brighter, more equal, and sustainable future for our planet and all its inhabitants.